Cornell University, I don't know what was going on, but they began to start having closed room investigations with with students, staff, and faculty, one at a time. And staff was telling me this, you know, when I was putting this book together, like, yes, you know, FBI was bringing in people to ask them questions, right, throughout the whole campus. And this was, you know, going on as well at, you know, I'm sure at other universities as well. You know, I can't believe that Cornell is, so
the effect of that was?
What?
What was the effect of that on the teaching?
The effect of that was, threat, fear, the whole panopticon, right? The fear of getting arrested, the fear of teaching critically. So teachers knew about this, and it was very widely known throughout, so staff, were very much clear about, if anybody wrote on a particular issue that they would send it in, right? Or if they were, interested in a certain issue or spoke about a certain issue in class, that they would write it up and send it in to the FBI. Wow. And they had buy-in from many professors and still have buy-in. You go to the FBI.gov website, they have a committee, a national committee on higher education and terrorism, right? And the committee is made up of chancellors and deans and professors to investigate and to examine any threats of that in higher education, right? So Virginia Tech just opened the door for like state and federal agents to like have their way, right? And they've just been banging that, that we need your cell phones, we need your pagers, we need everything, every form of communication. So you have to give that over, civil liberty, right? For, giving over for protection on campuses. So if there's a threat alert on campus, you'll get it, and that's for your protection, right? But what are you giving up as well, right? So that needs to be articulated as well. I mean, so, one day the public, Whack-A-Hut, right? Whack-A-Hut protects so many of our state buildings and our federal buildings now, right? So, wow, look at this. And I'm not sure, but I can guarantee you that Whack-A-Hut has some type of contracts with, public and private institutions of higher education as well. And so then you look at that, which Whack-A-Hut's 1-2 steps away from, federal agencies.